Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Kristen Flores, your artsy momsy, and today we have an unexpected unboxing, and it is from Michael Kors. So we are in Palm Spring right now. I'm not home, and that's the reason I haven't been posting any new videos, but I promise that I'll start posting as soon as I get home. For today, I just want to share you what I got from Michael Kors at the Primm Mall, or actually it is now being called, I think, the Prizm outlets, and it is about 30 minutes south of Las Vegas. You know, every time we visit Las Vegas, we always check out the Primm, and luckily I found something that I really like at Michael Kors. So without further ado, let's start with the unboxing. So here it is with the size of the box inside. You might already know what it is, but yeah, let's check it out. Okay. I love the sales associates at Michael Kors in the Primm or Prizm outlets because they are all so helpful. They even had champagne and some cookies and cupcakes for the kids. So here they are. So these are canvas biker boots, and you will be very surprised with how much I paid for this. Let me check. Oh, here is my receipt, and it was the sale price was $51, and with the tax, all in all, it was $55.27. So these boots were like 80% off, and they have really great sales over there. They have shoes for $69, and these are shoes that, like, you know, they're not past season. Some of them are still new and current. So yeah, if you're visiting Las Vegas, Primm is very close. It's 30 minutes from the Strip. It's really great to check it out. I always check it whenever we go to Vegas. It's a little disappointing that there's not a lot of stores. There's even less from the last time I've been there. But yeah, Michael Kors is still there, and they have some really great selections of handbags, shoes, and some clothing. So let's check these boots a little closer. So we have, I like that this is like, you know, not the monogram canvas. So it has very minimal branding, like these hardware right here, and also the embossed MK logo right there. And this is, I also love that it has a zipper on the side, because this will be perfect for traveling. Like, you know, some airports don't require removing of shoes anymore, but some still does. So for air travel, definitely great to have light shoes that you can take off easily. And also for, like myself, who is coming from the cold weather to sunny weather, it's nice to have like boots, you know. Like for me, I think I will actually wear this when we fly back home, because it will be cold still in Washington. So yeah, and it has branding inside as usual. Nothing very special. It's just really great, simple shoes in great size. So it was just a really great sale and a really great shopping experience, because like I've said, everybody was helpful at the store. So now let's try it with some outfit that I brought for this trip. Okay, so here is outfit number one. This is the outfit that I'm already wearing. And while this is very, you know, feminine, flowy, spring type, it still looks great with the boots. It gives it like, you know, like a rock and roll vibe. So yeah, look at that. $51. Okay, so this is outfit number 2. This is actually in my spring haul, and this is from Timberland. This matches the shoes very nicely. I will actually wear this outfit this week when we go to the Universal Studio Hollywood, and these shoes will be perfect for those long walks. So this is actually size 7. I am typically size 6.5. US and 37 for European sizes. But I always prefer size 7 on boots, especially with US brands. The only time I get 6.5 for boots is actually from Stuart Weitzman. Other than that, this fits nicely, and I'm pretty sure that this will be great for the long walks at the Universal Studios this week. This next outfit I am planning to wear when we go to the Joshua Tree National Park. I did bring hiking shoes with me, but you know, if we decide to go somewhere else later and my hiking shoes are super dusty, I could bring these and change my shoes so we could still go on with our day. Lastly, this will be my airport outfit when we fly back home. Our flight is at nighttime, 7 o'clock, so it'll probably be very cold still in Washington, and that's why I have hoodie. So, and these boots will be perfect for airport outfit because again they have zipper. If they require to take off your shoes, you could easily do that. If not, great. And also another reason I'll probably wear this for my airport outfit is because they are bulky. We only have 2 carry-ons and a couple of backpacks with us. So, you know, I'll try to wear bulkier stuff. That way I could fit all my other stuff in our luggage. So I'll probably also have to discard all the packaging, the box and the paper bag, but that's okay because these pair of boots are very worth it for $51, $55 with tax. They are really great. So again, make sure you check out Primm. It's about 25 to 30 minutes south of Las Vegas Strip. It's, you know, if you're a fan of Michael Kors, I'm sure you'll find something you love there because they have very great selections of handbags, shoes, and some clothing. So there you have it. There you have it. I hope you guys love this little unboxing. Again, if you are going to Las Vegas, make sure you stop by Primm. If you are a fan of Michael Kors, I'm sure you'll find something that you like there. They have great selection of handbags and great sales on both handbags and shoes. So again, thank you for watching my video. For those who are already subscribed, thank you so much for your support. And if you are not subscribed yet and you like fashion, beauty, and savings, this is the best channel for you. Please consider subscribing because I would love to have you here. Thank you so much again, and I hope to see you on my next video. Bye.